powerful earthquake strikes the Philippines, widespread destruction and tsunami warnings. The Philippines experienced a devastating 7.2 magnitude earthquake this morning, causing violent tremors felt in several areas, particularly in the south of the country. The Philippine Geological Survey announced that the epicenter of the earthquake was near the coast, raising fears of a tsunami in coastal areas. The powerful earthquake occurred at a depth of approximately 30 kilometers 19 miles below the Earth's surface and was felt by millions of people. It caused residential buildings to collapse, roads and bridges to crack, and power and communications to be cut off in some cities near the epicenter. Initial reports indicate dozens of injuries and casualties, while rescue and emergency teams continue to search for those missing under the rubble.
Bawat yung puloy.
Authorities issued a tsunami warning along the southern coast of the Philippines, urging residents to stay away from beaches and head to higher ground. Navigation was also suspended in some ports as a precaution. The Philippines is considered one of the most earthquake-prone countries in the world, as it lies on the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire, an area of frequent seismic and volcanic activity. The country experiences dozens of moderate to strong earthquakes annually, threatening the lives of residents and impacting the economy and infrastructure. Please support us by liking and subscribing to the channel to stay up to date.
Careful. Lord, may pag-save lang ka na, Lord. No, guys. Wait. Please guide us. Ayaw mo gawas. Lord, please send some help, Lord.
6块无，6块，阿文啊，6块，6块幾無？哇，好2塊，你對當眼咧口機用咧對面去做啦。
Okay, go. See. Gawas pa jud kanang luwad pa sa building. Sugod. Ang kuan bay, wall bay, sa jud ay arms daw. Madyo kay nakakuha ka sa bag.